Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to hide your following list from other users on TikTok. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the TikTok application. Log into your any TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile by tapping on Me from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three dots from the top right corner. Under Account section, tap on Privacy. Now select Following List. It is selected as followers by default. Simply tap on Only Me. That's it. From now on, other users will only see mutual friends instead of your full following list. So in this way, you can hide your following list from other users on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.